I just found a 2024 penny worth $800, and you might have one too. This error is brand new, and people are already paying hundreds on eBay. Let me show you exactly what to look for. Hey everyone, welcome to World Pocket Coins. I'm your name, and this is urgent. 2024 pennies are in circulation right now, and certain errors are already selling for serious money. I end this video. I'll show you what the error looks like up close, how to spot it in 10 seconds, proof of what they're selling for, and where to get 2024 pennies today. If you're new here, we hunt valuable coins in everyday change. Hit subscribe. We post 3 times a week. Okay, so what's the error? It's called the 2024 Doubled Die Obverse, specifically on Liberty and In God We Trust. See this doubling on the letters? That's not supposed to be there. Here's a normal 2024 penny for comparison. The difference is subtle but very valuable. This happens when the die strikes the coin twice in slightly different positions. The Philadelphia Mint made this mistake on thousands of pennies before they caught it. Here's my 3-step method to check your 2024 pennies. Step 1. Look at the date. Must be 2024. Step 2. Check for the P mint mark. That means Philadelphia. It's right under the date. Step 3. Use a magnifying glass on Liberty. Look for doubling on the letters L, I, B, E, R, T, and Y. I recommend it 10 times Jeweler's Loop. I'll link one below. That's only $12 on Amazon. Now let me show you 3 more examples I've found. This first one has clear doubling on the B and E. This second one shows it on the R and T. And this third one, you can see the doubling on In God We Trust as well. The key is comparing it to a normal 2024 penny. Side by side, the difference becomes obvious. Now you might be thinking, is this really worth $800? Here's eBay sold listings from the last 30 days. $795 on December 3rd, $850 on November 28th, $680 on November 15th. And those are raw coins, ungraded. If you get it graded MS 65 or higher by PCGS or NGC, you're looking at $1,000 to $2,500. Now, not every 2024 P penny has this error. You have to actually check them. That's why in Wednesday's video, I'm going through $50 in penny rolls searching for these. I've already found 2 possible examples. I'm sending them to get authenticated. I'll update you on the results. Where do you find 2024 pennies? Option 1. Check your change. It's free. Every time you get pennies back, check the date. Option 2. Ask your bank for fresh penny rolls. $25 minimum at most banks. Tell them you want customer rolled, not machine rolled. Customer rolled have more errors. Option 3. Coinstar reject trace. People dump change and miss valuable coins all the time. I went to 3 banks this morning and got 5 boxes. Wednesday's video, I'm opening them live. Pro tip. The earlier you search, the better. These are being hoarded fast. Once word gets out, they'll be gone from circulation. All right, your turn. Go check every 2024 penny you have. If you find one, take a clear photo and send it to me on Instagram at World Pocket Coins. I'll help authenticate it for free. Tomorrow I'm posting a short about another 2024 error, so subscribe and hit the bell. Friday's video, top 5 pennies worth money in 2024. Thanks for watching World Pocket Coins. Now go hunt some treasure.